I'm Garth Williams and I work for Tata Steel in Port Talbot. I'm currently studying the professional practice degree with Trinity St David's. Really enjoying it. Lots of great levels of support. Recently my daughter went to university, so I thought I would really sort of inflame my sort of desire to develop myself and better myself, and obviously gain a high level of qualification which I haven't attained in previous careers. And obviously with the situation with the steel industry in its as it currently is, all qualifications will going to better my own personal career aspirations. I can only say that if anybody's actually thinking of doing this type of course, I can't recommend this course highly enough, or indeed this university. The levels of support have been superb, and I do feel it's benefited my career with Tata Steel in lots of different ways, but especially with regards to sort of learning theories and ensuring